Installing a network printer. This time we're gonna see how we're gonna be installing a network printer. A network printer means that this printer is gonna be connected even to your home network, or it could also be connected to an office network. Okay, on a network that means that we're gonna have quite a few computers connected to a modem or router, and then the printer that I'm gonna be installing is connected to the modem router. So different people could print from the printer. Okay, so that's gonna be a network printer. Now in this particular case, I don't have the CD. I just upgrade my computer to Windows 8, and I don't have the CD. When I first bought this printer, see, it came with a CD for Windows 7. Okay, well, normally in that case, see, normally you will need to go to their website and download the program. Okay, but Windows 8 is great installing extra different devices. It has so many different drivers built into Windows 7 that it makes it very easy to install any printer without having the CD. Okay, in the old days, like I say, if we didn't have the CD, we need to go to the printer manufacturer website and download the software and then install it on the computer. Okay, but this time we're gonna do it different. Okay, so this is my Windows mode. I'm on the Windows mode. Okay, so here's my start screen. Okay, all I'm gonna do is just start typing printer because I want to install a printer. Once I type in printer, see under apps there are 0, settings are 17, files 1. So I'm gonna go under settings. Now under settings we have share printer, add printer, devices, choose convert. Okay, device and etc etc etc. Now if I had the CD, see I will use this option. Why? Because this option add a printer is just gonna add for the CD. Okay, instead this time what I'm gonna be using is this other option, um, advanced printer setup. Okay, now remember this computer is connected to the internet using my modem router. Okay, I'm connected wireless. Now I have the printer, which is a brother printer, already connected to my modem router. Okay, and because it is connected to my modem router and the board connected to the same network, see, when I click on advanced printer, it's just gonna start looking for it under my home network. There it is. Okay, once I click on, see, the add printer feature is it's already detected. See, my multifunction printer is giving me the model and the brand, and it's giving me an IP address. Okay, so that's the IP address of my printer. Okay, now that's the only device that is being listed, so that's what I'm going to install. I'm just going to click on next. Okay, on the next step, see, Windows is asking me, okay, install the printer driver. Choose your printer from the list. To install the driver from an installation CD, click have disk. I don't have the disk. Okay, so here's the brother. And all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to scroll down and look which one I'm gonna be installing. Okay, now this is brother color type 3, no brother. Okay, brother. Okay, so okay, so I'm just gonna go through the different options that I have here. Okay, is that a color printer? Okay, it's just a monochrome, black and white. So I'm just gonna scroll down and there is see brother laser leg type 1 class driver. Okay, and I'm just gonna scroll down and see the other option. Yeah, that's it, because that's a laser and monochrome. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on next, and then I just follow the prompt and click on next one more time. Okay, now printer share. If you want to share this printer, okay, share this printer so others can the network can find and use it. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it with that name and go to the next step. Okay, you successfully added Brother Laser. Set as default printer. Okay, now before I finish, before I click on finish, I'm just gonna print a test page. Okay, just to make sure that the printer is working. And there's the printer is printing a test page. Okay, so that's gonna be my default printer, and I'm just gonna click on finish. And just to check that my printer has been installed, I'm gonna go back to my start screen. I'm gonna type in again printer. I'm gonna go to settings, and I'm gonna click right here, check on under devices and printers. When I click on devices and printers, it's gonna take me to this window where I'm gonna see all the different devices that I have installed on my computer. Okay, it may take a little bit of time. Okay, and there's my printer. Okay, there's my printer installed, and that's my brother. Okay, so I will be able to print from this printer wireless directly from my laptop. Okay, if I want to scan or do something else, I mean, I could just right click and look for those options. Okay, but there it is. Installing a printer with no CD. Windows 8 has so many different drivers built into that make it very easy to install a network or, or a network printer or a standalone printer. Thank you. Until next time. Bye bye.